Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by placing the Dr. Brown warmer and sterilizer on a stable countertop. This reduces spills and ensures even heating. Once positioned, pour water into the reservoir to the indicated mark. Too little yields uneven warming, too much can overflow. Make sure bottles are disassembled. Nipples, collars, and vents aside so steam reaches all surfaces. Then load bottles upright into the basket, spacing them so steam circulates. You're already warming and creating sterilizing conditions. Proceed as soon as the lid closes. You now choose the appropriate cycle: warming for feeding, sterilize for deep cleaning. Once selected, confirm indicator lights or audible alerts so you know the unit started. During a warming cycle, expect 6 to 10 minutes depending on bottle size and starting temperature. Sterilize cycles take longer. Make sure not to open the lid mid-cycle because heat and steam escape, lengthening the process and reducing effectiveness. If you need to pause, use the unit's pause or cancel function rather than lifting the lid. You finish by letting the unit sit closed for 2 to 3 minutes, so residual steam completes the job and reduces scald risk. Once slightly cooled, remove bottles and place parts on a clean drying rack until fully air dry before reassembling. If the unit fails to heat or produces low steam, make sure the water level is correct, reset power, and run a descale cycle with diluted white vinegar if mineral buildup appears. If problems persist, contact support for service guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.